Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify this given power tower that involves nested exponents 3 power 2, power 1, power 4, power 0, and then power 5. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. Now let's focus on this exponential problem. And here I have copied down this power tower. Now we can see there are no strings involved. That means there are no brackets or parentheses. This is just a plain power tower. So we are going to deal with this kind of problem by coming top to bottom. In other words, we're going to start off with this first pair, and then we're going to keep going downward one step at a time. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this one, 0 power 5. We know 0 power 5 is same as 0. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this 0 power 5 by just 0 over here. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this 4 power 0. This is same as simply 1. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this 4 power 0 by 1. And here's our next step. 1 power 1 is same as 1. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this 1 power 1 by simply 1. And now let's focus on 2 power 1, which is same as 2. As you can see in this next step, 2 power 1 is same as 2. Now we know that 3 power 2 is same as 9. So thus this exponential problem has been simplified to 9. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 9. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.